What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing absolutely awesome. So it's another Sunday and we are back with another weekend ride. And I didn't find any fuel station, so I had to search one and fill up the fuel. A lot of flags today. Hey. So this time we are riding towards Nandi Hills. This was actually a last moment plan. So the meetup is in front of Esteem Mall. I think that is where the regular meetup for any riders who are like heading towards the Devanalli direction would stop. So I'll reach the meetup point and I will catch up with you guys soon. So this is, I think this is Esteem Mall, and somewhere over here is where we are supposed to meet. Z900. So this is the lineup we have for today. My 10R, 2 Boozas and 1 Z900. These two Boozas are insanely loud. You know, both have this super loud BROCKS exhaust system. Howdu sir? Capture ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Beautiful. Guys, stop for a small break. Freak. Hey la. Show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you think. So we're riding towards Nandi Hills after a really long time. The last time I reached the hills was, I think, in the year 2017 or 17 or 18. This time we are riding, it's going to be fun with a lot of twisties and all that. There are a lot of new cafes around this area. Back then when we came, there was only one or two. My god, what is this traffic even about?
ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸಕ್ಕಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತನಕ ಇದೆ.
So today's Nandi Hills ride is a flop plan. There is a lot of traffic all the way up. So as you guys saw, there was a huge line, you know, there was the traffic was too hectic, and plus in this hot sun, so we decided to turn back. So you guys are done with breakfast over here, so time to head back home. All boys are on fire. That arrow is too damn loud, man. Too damn loud. We'll take it slow.